How to get Rufus to compare your cart items side by side on Amazon. Now instead of Rufus, you'll need to use Alexa because Alexa has completely replaced Rufus inside of this platform. In order to compare your products side by side, what you need to do is head over to the Alexa option on the bottom right of the application, and then in this section you can add in any sort of prompts. So I'm going to show you an example prompt that you can copy, which says compare all of the items in my cart side by side in a simple table. Now before you can add in this prompt, make sure that you have added all of the items that you're trying to compare inside of your cart on Amazon. Only then Alexa will be able to compare it side by side. So you can add in a prompt just like this and then hit send. Using this exact prompt or using a similar prompt like this, you'll be able to compare all of the cart items that you have inside of Amazon. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.